Today we are going to be discussing plate M447. So I'm going to just show you some simple ways that you can kind of do something different, like this. So you can use it as a French tip, or you can flip the design around and use it at the base of your nail. Now we're going to go and do a second style. Then you're just going to go ahead and stamp this at the tip of your nail. You could even do another layer. For example, if I wanted, I could add one more layer here to make it even thicker, that you could pair with the different bands to make your French longer, or if you want to have like a more decorative French. Okay, another way you can use the design, I'm going to select this design here. Instead of doing this design straight on, what we're going to do is we're just going to angle it so that you have an angled French instead. But now I want to add a little sparkle, and you can do a lot of different layering options with this. So then now you have a really nice angled French. So another way you can use this design is to create some fun stripes, and we can create a really cool pattern. So we created a stripe design all across the nail. Now I think there is another way that we could do it, where we could flip both of them around and kind of make it look like a wreath, just like that. All you have to do is stamp the design, go all around the nail. So this is now like a picture frame. You can fill it with words or some kind of cute snowflake. So there are lots of different ways you can work this. So these are the 5 different designs. You can create all sorts of things. You'd be surprised how many different ways you can use this plate.